Before we begin, this video is strictly for educational purposes. Phone monitoring should only be used legally, such as parents monitoring their minor children's devices, employers tracking company-owned phones with employee consent, or monitoring your own devices for security. Using these tools without proper authorization is illegal and violates privacy rights. Always ensure you have legal right and consent before monitoring any device. Welcome back to the Bitewise. Today we are exploring 5 free phone monitoring tools that can help with legitimate tracking needs. Whether you're a parent wanting to keep your kids safe online or need to locate your own lost device, these tools can be incredibly helpful when used responsibly. First up is the most well-known option, Google's Find My Device for Android and Apple's Find My iPhone for iOS devices. Features: real-time location tracking, remote device locking, data wiping capabilities, sound alerts to find nearby phones. How to set up. For Android, go to Settings then Security and the Find My Device for iPhone. Go to Settings then Apple ID and then Find My iPhone. This tool is best for locating your own lost or stolen devices, or tracking family members' phones with their knowledge and consent. There are some limitations that it requires the device to be connected to internet and location services enabled. Secondly, the Google Family Link is specifically designed for parents to monitor their children's Android devices. Features: app usage monitoring and time limits, location tracking, bedtime and device lock controls, app approval system, screen time reports. Setup process: parents install Family Link on their device. Children's devices get the supervised version. Requires parental verification. Best for parents monitoring minor children's device usage and location. Note: this is designed for legitimate parental supervision and requires proper setup by both parent and child. Live 360 is a family safety app that focuses on location sharing and emergency features. Features: real-time family member locations, driving reports and crash detection, check-ins and alerts, location history, SOS emergency features. How it works: all family members must download the app and join the same circle. Everyone can see each other's locations. Best for families who want mutual location sharing for safety purposes. Fourth is PYZ or ClefGuard. Some monitoring platforms offer limited free tiers, though most comprehensive features require payment. Typical free features: basic location tracking, call log monitoring, text message viewing, limited app usage data. Setup requirements: physical access to target device for installation of monitoring app, account creation and verification, legal reminder. These tools must only be used on devices you own or have explicit legal authority to monitor, such as your minor child's phone or company-owned devices with employee awareness. Fifth is inbuilt parental controls. Don't overlook the free parental control features built into most devices. iOS Screen Time provides app usage limits, content restrictions, downtime scheduling, family sharing controls. Android Digital Wellbeing is good at app timers, focus mode, parental controls through Family Link. Setup found in Settings under Screen Time, iOS, or Digital Wellbeing, Android. Best for basic monitoring and control of family devices with user awareness. Before using any monitoring tool, remember, keep these legal requirements in mind. You must own the device or have legal authority to monitor it. Monitoring adult family members without consent may violate privacy laws. Check local laws regarding surveillance and privacy. Ethical considerations: transparent communication is better than secret monitoring. Respect privacy boundaries, especially with teenagers. Use monitoring as a safety tool, not for control or surveillance. Here are some security tips. Use strong passwords for monitoring accounts. Regularly review who has access to location data. Be aware that free tools may have data privacy limitations. These tools can be valuable for legitimate safety and security needs when used responsibly and legally. Remember, the goal should always be safety and communication, not secret surveillance. Final reminder: always use these tools ethically and legally. When in doubt, consult local laws and prioritize open communication over monitoring. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more cybersecurity insights and tech explainers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.